Let's make breakfast quesadillas for 9 daycare kiddos. That's going to be our lunch today. These eggs are so pretty. They're from my sister's chickens. My egg cracking skills today are not great. I'm not sure what's going on. I have some ham that I took out of my freezer yesterday. And then I'm going to add a little milk. Spinach. Yeah? Alright, we're going to go bring this to the stove. Alright, my griddle has been heating up. I'm also going to make the quesadillas on here. I just didn't want to dirty more than one pan. Kids are playing with poker chips, pom-poms, little characters, candles, randomness, animals. Eggs are done. I'm going to transfer them to this plate so that I can make the quesadillas. And I'm going to make the quesadillas on whole wheat tortillas so they count as our whole grain for today. Okay, as these get done, they're going to go in my oven on warm. Alright, butter, the tortilla, cheese, and eggs. And more cheese. And one more tortilla on top. I already cut up grapes this morning. My 3 oldest kids don't need their grapes cut up. And we're going to have carrots, but I'm going to cut them all in half just so they're not so big. Small cut up ones will be for my youngest too. These quesadillas I'm going to cut into 6 and give everyone 2.